back. So I took a trade on POW today. It was a top percent gainer. I looked at the daily chart and I was like, I know it looks a little overextended, but okay, it's had some volume resistance 12 million, 6 million, 5. Okay. I like that it's a 52-week high. And um, I also like that it's an earnings winner up because, because of the current political climate, everyone's buying ammunition, et cetera, et cetera. So I got in here in my TD Ameritrade account at 677 and I was risking 630 because this is pre-market and it's way above pre-market high. I figured it wouldn't come back. So once I saw these two candles and these lower highs, I was like, okay, this makes sense. And now we've got a green candle confirming the movement. So by the time I got in, it was 677. And then it continues, pulls back to the breakout level or whatever you want to call it here, or, just this level and breaks out to, not breaks out, I'm using bad terminology. It has a pullback, it goes up to about 714. I wanted to shave off a little bit here, but because of my Thinkorswim account, you can't, like, it doesn't let me shave. I have to do the whole position. So I was like, okay, I'll be patient. And I set my risk higher to now 677 break even because I saw all this consolidation and it sat on here. This was the top of it. Then this became the bottom. Like, it's like, boop, sitting on top of this level, under this level resistance. Now it's support on top of it. I was like, okay, I feel cool. And this candle took me out, and I got out at 679 for a 2-cent win. But looking at these line charts, I think it's gonna go boop and just continue to grind higher because of the political climate, because it's a top percent gainer, because it's above pre-market, all those reasons. But I was in the mood to protect myself, so I got out for a 2-cent win. I also was interested in OPTT because it was a top percent gainer. Looking at the daily chart, I was like, okay, I think it was around here. It could have been like a 52-week high if it would have, not really, because that's in the fours. But I just was like, okay, it's really up. And it was one of the things I was looking at. And it was on Oracle to 395. I was like, okay, cool. But then I saw this failure. And I was like, well, if I were to get in, where am I getting in on support? And I saw this line at 317, but I knew that the end of the short would be 286. So I was like, maybe it'll dip back to here and then I can get in on a reversal back to VWAP. I saw this and I was like, you know what? I just really don't like this. Like from 305 to 350, I just don't like this. I'm not interested. And once it had its reversal to VWAP, now it's continuing to grind lower. So I left it alone. BTBT is finally like in the money for me from my position of 1880. I survived all this and all this. I was like, oh my God, it's going to run again because it went to 2021. Fucking pow. So I'm just waiting for like more confirmation for it to break down from this 1775 level. So now it's having a red day again on the daily chart. New. So the bottom of that candle was 1523. I mean, it'd be nice if it could go to the 14s, but I'm just hanging out and watching it. What else? I looked at all the top percent gainers, sort of, and I was like, I don't know. Freaking pow. Oh, this was my overnight trade, 300 shares from 128. And I got out here. I woke up at 7. I was having a dream that it was at $4, so I wanted to collect my profits. I woke up to it being fucking underwater. I was like, okay. And I was like, okay, I know that this is a risk level of 114. It's the top of this candle. It sits back down. This was the better point of entry, but I had FOMO and I was like, you know what? I'll wait till the end of the day. This looks bullish. Let me just get in. It fucking fails. So, and then at 7, when I guess all the retail traders wake up, It had this push back up to 121, but I sold during this red candle at 111, I think, because I was like, ugh, I don't like this. I know it's above VWAP, but I don't like this. But I still could have sold over here, but there is no I could have. I exited when I didn't feel comfortable. End of story. Goodbye. You know, GSAT, I was like, oh, GSAT was up at like 7 a.m. Why didn't I do GSAT? Whatever. I was thinking of this one also for an overnight hold. It went to the 40s from the 39s. What else? That's pretty much it. I thought this was funny. TLSA. I'm sure a lot of people are confused about it with Tesla. But let me see. Yeah, literally, it does exactly what I say. Um, yeah, that's all. That's all for now. Hope you have a great day. I'm out of day trades. I'll probably be back on Friday. I don't know if I'll have time tomorrow. But if I see an exit that I can take on Tesla, which looks like it's failing again, or maybe having a bounce off of support, I don't know. And if I want to get out of BTBT, maybe I should just end BTBT while I'm still in the green and just call it a day. I might do that. So that's all. Bye.